Might not need the pad.
Well, you're going to use it. I got it picked up.
She's got a concrete slab over there.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to have to poke my hernia back in my butt now. Is it going to be okay if we... Okay. That's okay. Where this little window unit is it okay if we set the condenser right outside on that concrete?
Sure, if that's what you think is best.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. That make it.
Oh.
We're thinking that'll work there. We're fixing to open this up and measure everything.
All right. Oh, it's because they got set nails in it.
Well, that's where you would put them.
I thought those were drain holes.
Yeah. That's a solid beam for sure. I don't know if that power comes from down bottom or up top. Dad, I wish I knew.
Peekaboo, peekaboo. So I put it right there. Oh man.
You know what this pad's first name is? Hold on just a second. Can you hear me, Philip? Okay.
It's gonna have to come a foot off the wall.
Okay.
Did I do all right on that? Laying out the line set?
Yeah, but you need more. But yeah.
Okay, I'll unwind.
It starts better than nothing.
Okay. Now it's stretched out. Now it's stretched out, Levi.
It made me have to walk, didn't it?
Oh. Oh, it's going over there, huh?
This one's just going.
Yeah.
Still close? It looked like it moved a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little, but I'd rather it tilt that way than give it a drain. You slap it in yourself. Let down on yourself. All right, now push in. And then we'll lock it. chair you got to go? Level.
You got the level still, Philip?
Yeah, grab that.
There.
Ooh. Oh, watch out, fan. I'll turn that one off.
Okay. I think it's off. But we'll wait till it slows down to see.
Yeah. Ryan, you're gonna have to find this up there. So this is it.
Yeah, shove that up in there. He'll see that for sure.
Right.
Oh, now that I fixed it, it's great. You had too far that way a little bit. But
What up? We're going to.
I hear him. Is that him? Philip said we don't realize how much easier it is with 3 or 4 people.
You got it?
not yet.
I hear him.
But you know, me trying to push it, she's pulling it around.
I know. That's what happened on the last one. They're about to kill me.
No, he thinks it's good.
Oh.
I mean, it's, that way I ain't trying to.
No,
Like,
I had the
pull.
customer going this way past me.
Oh.
Yeah, he was
and
going
I'm
way
trying to
past.
shove it this way, and he's over going the opposite direction. I was like, and
Back
I
up,
kept telling
back
him,
up.
kept telling him. Yeah, almost straight into me. How far are you up in there?
Probably about 10 foot, maybe.
I stuck my hand up in there. I didn't feel it.
We hit something.
I grabbed a hold of it, hold it down. I ain't feeling them
He's coming.
though. Too much nicer if they put scuttle holes out in there.
Yeah, right?
Push it into this chase. That way we can put these covers on and be done with it. Yep, just like that. Keep pushing. That's good. We can at least get these top ones. That way we could get the ladder out of here. Okay. Not too much, not too much.
Okay, so good.
Did good. All right, the big long one. Cover. Pop that on this side. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, right there. Okay. What's the matter?
I guess it's good.
Yep. Okay. Now I need that there with
The screws
just
in
2 of the
middle.
screws. The other ones go to the coupling.
Alright. Is this the right drill bit? That's tiny.
That'll work. Okay.
Good. Watch out, Levi.
And I need 2 more
You need 2 more?
drywall screws.
Drywall. Which ones are drywalls? Maybe.
Yep.
No, we probably would use THHN now and Carflex for everything.
You want to hand me that rag? I'll wipe everything down. We're done right here.
Awesome.
Up there.
Yep.
Look at that.
That was relatively painless.
That one went pretty good, yeah. It's the soffit ones that are painful, but
I'm hoping so. I just rearranged the panel a little bit. Got it code and saved.
Leave it.
Okay, let's see. Yeah.
oh,
Stand around this side? Yes.
Come here, Levi. Out of the way.
That's okay.
Oh, careful with that flappy thing, Ryan.
Alright. Where's she gonna be?
It's yours.
Okay. Alright, let me get a. I don't know if it's the right length yet.
Gotta hold that up. You need. Are you gonna use the screwdriver?
Alright. Should hold that. Alright, so we gotta cut that crap.
Levi. Come on, Levi. Casey and the Sunshine Band, huh?
I guess. Whatever done. You're done.
Line set's taking the bottom.
I'm terminating down to L1, L2. Yeah, that looks good.
This. There's two people on that bit.
Yeah. Doing what I want to do.
Holy crap. Fighting on these little things.
Any day the customer can save a little bit of money and I get on. That's it, right? Oh, we gotta fix the panels with that. We're done back here.
Oh, just put it together? You want me to do it?
Alright, then it's just wiring.
You can. Just gotta cover back on, relabel it. I got a label maker in there.
Send my seismic ready for like a month. Remember I told you right there?
Okay. Taking that coal back to Johnstone.